Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'd like to thank all of you on the internet for coming here today. See how boring that is? My advice is when you have to thank someone, the person who introduced you, some dignitary in the office, don't say it the first thing out of your mouth. That's what most people do. It's instantly ignored, forgotten, and it just sounds like wah, 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 Charlie Brown's teacher. It's boring, instantly ignored. So am I saying you should never thank anyone? No, I'm not saying that. What I'm suggesting is the first thing out of your mouth should be something that grabs the attention of the audience. Make it interesting to them. Then in the middle of your presentation, even if it's just a 60-second presentation, wait 30 seconds, then thank the dignitaries who showed up or thank the person who introduced you. Just changing the order can make a huge difference on the impression you leave. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to the media and live audiences. If you'd like to improve, go to my website at mediatrainingworldwide.com and get some of our free books, or check out information on our live, in-person workshops and online workshops.